Happened again, and I love it when it happens. Yep, found a load more bed slats, and I do love bed slats. I don't love a bed slat, I love bed slats, the plural. I've got a whole bunch here, and have a look. Nice and straight, all of them, nice and straight. And which is very different to the other bed slats I use, because I normally use the curved stuff. I've made shelves out of it. I've made picture frames out of it. In fact, have a look at these. I'm currently getting them ready to make some picture frames out of them. They're made out of the bent ones, where these are dead straight, which is perfect for something I need to do. Perfect. But first things first, have a look at these. I've got to take their stockings off. So that's the first job. Now, there might be those amongst you who would say, Jeff, what are you doing taking all those off? Why don't you cut the ends off? So much quicker, so much easier. Yeah, but the thing is, the thing I need to make, or want to make, or am making, needs to be 70 centimetres long. These are 70 centimetres long. Can you believe it? Can you believe it? And those edges are 90-degree cut. This just doesn't get any better. So I can't cut the ends off. I'm going to have to pull off its lingerie, and then yank out the staples. Sorting out my widths and my lengths and the how much we need and everything. Right, 9 of these gives me pretty much how wide I need this this shelf. So that's cool. And the width of the shelves, this is going to be the back. This is going to be the back of the shelf. The width of the actual shelves is 25. Right, 4 of these comes to 27. So I'll just glue up 4 of those and then cut them to fit afterwards. Yeah. So I need to take the other half apart. Yeah, well, I was hoping I didn't have, not hoping, I don't care really, but I thought I'd get away with it not doing it, but I can't, so I've got to. Oh well, let's do it. To it. And that's all the pieces, and I don't believe I've got any other of this dimension in my stashes of stashes, so I've got to make it out of this lot, and it better bloody fit. So I need a back piece, a side piece, and 2 shelves. Let's have a count up. So I've had a count up and a measure up, so let's have a look. Back piece, 2 shelf pieces, another 4 pieces for the side piece that goes on the end, and then those bits are left over, which allows us to enjoy some other shenanigans in the future. Now I've reached the point where I have to use liquefied horses to stick it all together. Just if you're wondering why I put those side pieces on, they're just clamped on temporary like a sandwich on both edges, get your words out, Jeff, here and here. That's because when I put the tension on the wide piece, it can tend to buckle up, like not lie flat, but buckle up. And those sandwich pieces will stop that happening, and then once the glue's dry, knock them off again. Let's do the smaller piece. Well, that's glue session number 2057 of my life finished up. We have large piece, 2 shelf pieces, and the side piece. Now, until all this liquid horse has solidified into glue and not another horse, but actual solid glue, all the bits glued together, I can't do anything. No. And currently 2 degrees, well, it was 2 degrees this morning. Inside this garage it's a witch's tit, so this glue might take a while to dry. I'll check on it tomorrow, see if I can do the next step. Aye, winter time. Okay. Here is the next day. All things are at the clamps, and luckily the liquid horse was dry enough for me to use anyway. As I've just seen you, I scraped all the dry bits of glue off, trimmed some places, had a little chop here, little chop there, made things a bit better as they were, and I'm now having a bit of an assemblage. These 90-degree doodahs are lovely. They make life very, very easy. Right, this is this piece here. That's the side piece, and the shelves will eventually come from that piece onto the backboard. So this is the first one I'm going to do. Glued and screwed. Yep, glued and screwed with the help of the 90-degree fellas. Not finished yet. Still got cleaning to do, sanding to do. Might put a profile here and there. Definitely painting. Then we got varnishing. Then we got to mount the thing on the wall. And then we got to see if it's probably wonky or not. Coming on though. Got some sanding to do. Sandy, sandy, sandy. Maybe a bit of roundy, roundy, roundy. Let's make some dust, I suppose. Yeah, finished it. And put it up. But I haven't put everything else back on it though. But guess what? Look. That's from the old shelf that was there before. And now I've got to try and find the original paint. I don't think so. I'll have a look. Anywho. That is it. Another bed slat makey thing. And I've got loads more bed slats left, and I keep finding them, and I keep finding them, and I keep finding them. So I'm going to grab them, and I'm going to make something out of them, because I love a bed slat. I do, yeah. Anyway, see you later.